Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost has been elected as the 267th Pope of the Roman Catholic Church, becoming the first American to ascend the papacy. He has taken the papal name Pope Leo XIV. The announcement came on the second day of the conclave, where Prevost was chosen to lead the global Catholic community, which numbers approximately 1.4 billion faithful. In his first address, the new pontiff offered a message of peace to his followers, stating, quote, "May peace be with you." Unquote. Born on the 14th of September 1955 in Chicago, Illinois, Prevost is the son of Louis Marius Prevost, originally from France, and Mildred Martinez, of Spanish descent. He has two brothers, Louis Martin and John Joseph. Pope Leo XIV spent his early years in Chicago, where he was raised in a devout Catholic household. He began his religious formation at the Minor Seminary of the Augustinian Fathers and later attended Villanova University in Pennsylvania. In 1977, he earned a degree in mathematics and also studied philosophy, laying the foundation of his future in religious leadership. Prevost's historic election marks a new chapter for the Catholic Church as it embraces leadership from the Americas for the first time in its centuries-long history.
Annuncio vobis gaudium magnum, habemus papam. Pace sia con tutti voi. Fratelli, sorelle carissimi, questo è il primo saluto del Cristo risorto, il buon pastore che ha dato la vita per il gregge di Dio. Anch'io vorrei che questo saluto di pace entrasse nel vostro cuore, raggiungesse le vostre famiglie, a tutte le persone, ovunque siano, a tutti i popoli, a tutta la terra. La pace sia con voi. Benedictio Dei omnipotens, Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti descendat super vos et maniat semper.